This is the feeder roller we will replace. Paper is not picking up, it's showing paper jam. What I have to do, we'll take long nose and we have to pull this and move like this carefully with your hand, then move down a bit further like this. It will just pull it like this and move upwards, and you are here the feeder roller that is creating problem for paper pickup. Remove this carefully, keep it aside, these both rollers. So what we have to do, there are two methods. If you have a spare one, you can replace it with a spare one, and if you don't have a spare one, you can clean with any spray WD-40 lubricant with the help of napkin. Or you can do what, simply first of all I will remove this because there is a spring inside. I don't want to make it lost, so I will keep it here and keep the things here. Okay, fine. Now I will remove this feeder roller. This is a rubber roller actually. So what to do, with the help of flat screwdriver we will remove this roller. Carefully, don't break it with soft hands. You can throw a bit spray here so it will remove easily. If you can bit a spray WD-40 here. Okay, this is a rubber that is expired from that side. Okay, you can do one thing more, just rotate it. The other side still didn't use, it's still a new one. Just clean it with the napkin and you can place again on the other surface of the roller. Okay, you can do one thing if you don't want to buy a new one, but I have right now with me a new one. I will replace with the new one. You can use an existing one also, because the one side still it's a new, didn't use, but I will replace a new one. Okay, that's it for now. Subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thank you for watching. All the best.